Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to select elements in an array from left side to the right side by given number. By given number means we are setting a limit. For example, we need first 5 elements, or for example we need first 10 elements, like that. Now we can say new array. I will set this equals to square brackets and number elements like this. This is an integer array. Alright, now I need these first 3 elements. How we can do that? I will create a new variable. Let arr new equals to array, and then parentheses. Inside parentheses we have to pass in this array variable. You can use your array variable and dot prefix. We have to put parentheses. Inside parentheses we have to say how many elements we need. As we said, we need first 3 elements. Now we can go ahead and print this arr new. You can see we got first 3 elements in the array. Now this is how to do this in one line. Let's go ahead and see other way to do this. I will say let slice is equals to arr, this variable, dot prefix. Now inside parentheses we have to say max length of that. I will say I need first 5 elements of my array. And then what if we print this slice variable? Let's go ahead and see. You can see we got this one, but if we going to print the type of this using type function, we have to say parameter type as of, and again we have to add another parenthesis. Now you can see it is a array slice. Type is array slice. How we can convert this into array? Now I want to show you what is the type of this arr new also. I will say type and then parenthesis of parameter type as, and then let's see again. You can see this is just a array of integer, but this is another type. To do that we can say new variable let slice arr is equals to array, and then parentheses. Inside parentheses we have to define this variable. Now you can see actually we have to change this into slice arr now, otherwise we cannot see changes. Now you can see that's a integer array. Now we can print the content of it. Alright, I think this way is much better. I mean the single line code is much better than this one. Alright, this is it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.